Hello students, how are you all today? I hope you all are fine. I'm sure you must have gone through the chapter once again and revised the topic pronouns on your own. So let us quickly begin with today's session. We have already learned about nouns and pronouns in our previous sessions. In this session, we are going to learn how to use am, is and are in a sentence. Am, is and are used after noun or pronoun. These words tell us something about the noun or pronoun. For example, I am Shanu. I am 6 years old. The word am is always used with I. Let us take a look at some more examples. I am eating. I am going to the market. I am in class 2. I am playing football. Next, we use is for one person, place, animal or thing. It is also used with he, she and it. For example, my mother is a kind woman. She is kind to everyone. Do you see how mother is one person? So the word is can be used after mother. Next, Nikhil is my friend. He is intelligent. Similarly, here Nikhil is a name of a boy and is one person. So, is can be used after he also. Let us take a look at another example. It is my classroom. It is a neat classroom. Moving on, the word are is used for more than one person, place, animal or thing. We use the word are with we and they. The word are is also used with you, as you is also used for plural noun. For example, there are 5 apples in the basket. You are funny. We are studying grammar and they are playing. Students, do you see how in the first sentence there are many apples, so the word are is used. Similarly, with you, we and they, the word are is used. Now, let us take a look at this exercise. Write is, am or are to complete each sentence. The first one is Tanya dash in class 3. Here Tanya is one person, so the word is can be used after the noun. Therefore, the right answer is Tanya is in class 3. Moving on to the second sentence. These bottles dash new. Here we see that there is more than one bottle. So we use are for more than one person, place, animal or thing. So the right answer will be these bottles are new. Let us look at the third sentence. I dash hungry. Students, we learnt that with I, the word am is always used. So, clearly the answer here will be I am hungry. Let's look at the fourth sentence. It is the pot dash red in color. Again, students, we use the word is for one person, place, animal or thing. And here it talks about one pot. So the correct answer will be the pot is red in color. And the last sentence is The butter and the jam dash on the table. In this sentence, it shows that there are two things kept on the table. So, when we talk about more than one thing, we use the word are. Therefore, the right answer here will be the butter and the jam are on the table. Moving on to our next topic, that is words with oi and a sound. Shanu is confused about spelling words with oi and a. Look at the pictures and say their names out loud to help Shanu. The first photo here we see is of a coin. Let us look at the spelling. C-O-I-N, coin. Next word is soil. So the spelling of soil is S-O-I-L, soil. And the other word we have here is boil. The spelling of boil is B-O-I-L. Do you see how OI is used in different words? Let us quickly take a look at this exercise. Write OI to complete the words. Then read each word aloud. Students, here we have many words that are incomplete. We have to fill in the blanks with OI to make a new word. So the first word is boil. The spelling is B-O-I-L, boil. Next word, soil. S-O-I-L, soil. Next, join. J-O-I-N, join. And point. P-O-I-N-T, point. And the last word is foil. F-O-I-L, foil. Isn't it easy? That's great. Now we will look at some words with a sound. Here we see train. The spelling is T-R-A-I-N, train. Then we see another word, that is sail. S-A-I-L, sail. And we see another word which is chain. C-H-A-I-N, chain. Do you see how there is a difference between the pronunciation of these two different type of words? Let us take a look at some more A words. Write AI to complete the words, then read each word aloud. Again, there are a few words given and we have to put AI to make it a new word. First, M-A-I-L, male. Next, chain. C-H-A-I-N, chain. Next, tail. T-A-I-L, tail. Then, bait. B-A-I-T, bait. And last, grain. G-R-A-I-N, grain. Well, I'm sure you have understood how to use is, am and are in a sentence and have understood the difference between oi and a sound words. Go through it once again so you can easily solve the worksheet that will be given to you. Till then, stay home and stay safe.